In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails by date in Gmail. Whether you're a busy professional trying to keep your inbox organized or simply someone who wants to effortlessly search through old emails, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's dive in and make sorting emails by date a breeze. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. If you're not already logged in, enter your account credentials to access your inbox. Once there, turn your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where the magic happens. To filter your emails by date, you'll need to type a specific command into the search bar. Let's discuss some of the key commands that will allow you to efficiently sort through your emails. If you're looking to find emails from a specific date, you'll use the after and before commands. For example, typing after 2023-01 D01 before 2023-02-01 will display emails sent in January 2023. Make sure to follow this format using YYYYMMDD to specify the exact date range you're interested in. Once you've typed the command into the search bar, hit Enter to see a list of all emails within that specified date range. This is an incredibly powerful tool, especially if you're hunting for an email from a specific time period, but can't quite remember the details of the sender or subject. Now, what if you're looking for emails from a particular day? You can use the ON command to pinpoint emails sent on a specific date. By typing ON 2023-01-15 into the search bar, Gmail will pull up emails from that particular day alone. This is incredibly useful when you remember the date something was sent but need to find the email quickly. Besides searching for emails on a specific date or within a date range, you can also combine date filters with other search keywords, such as the sender's email or a word from the subject line. For instance, you might use something like from@example@gmail.com after 2023-011-01 before 2023-02-01 to find all emails from a particular contact sent in January. This kind of combination makes searches even more precise, saving you time and effort. Keep in mind that Gmail's search feature is case-insensitive, meaning there's no need to worry about capitalizing commands or terms. Also, remember to be cautious when typing your search commands to avoid typos that might lead to incorrect results. With these tips, find emails by date in Gmail with ease and precision, making your digital correspondence more manageable. By mastering these search commands, you can keep your inbox organized and help ensure that you never lose track of important messages again. Happy sorting!